How to drop a list of rows from Pandas data frame? I have a data frame df. Then I want to drop rows with certain sequence numbers which indicated in a list. Suppose here is 1, 2, 4, then left. How or what function can do that?
Use dataframe.drop and pass it a series of index labels. Note that it may be important to use the inplace command when you want to do the drop in line. Because your original question is not returning anything, this command should be used. This URL.
If the data frame is huge, and the number of rows to drop is large as well, then simple drop by index df.drop df.index takes too much time. In my case, I have a multi-index data frame of floats with 100 meters rows x 3 calls, and I need to remove 10k rows from it. The fastest method I found is, quite counterintuitively, to take the remaining rows. Let indexes underscore to underscore drop be an array of positional indexes to drop, 1, 2, 4, in the question. In my case this took 20.5s, while the simple df.drop took 5 minutes 27 and consumed a lot of memory. The resulting data frame is the same.
I solved this in a simpler way, just in 2 steps. Make a data frame with unwanted rows/data. Use the index of this unwanted data frame to drop the rows from the original data frame. Example. Suppose you have a data frame df which has many columns including age, which is an integer. Now let's say you want to drop all the rows with age as negative number. Hope this is much simpler and helps you.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.